Hello everyone, welcome to Last Bench Students. Today, we are going to learn about the logical view of data. Let's get started. A logical view of data shows how data is organized in a database. It represents data in the form of tables, rows, and columns. This view focuses only on how users see the data, not on how it is physically stored in the computer. Now, let's understand why we need a logical view of data. A logical view makes data easy to understand by presenting it in a simple table format. It hides the physical storage details, improves security, and makes data retrieval and management easier for users. Now let's understand the main components of a relational table. A table stores related data. Each row represents a single record, and each column represents an attribute or field. Together, rows and columns organize the data in a simple and structured format. Let's understand the logical view of data with a simple student table. Here, each row represents one student record, and each column represents an attribute such as roll number, name, course, department, and marks. This tabular structure makes the data easy to read, understand, and manage. Now let's understand the relationship between the student and department tables. Each student belongs to one department, while one department can have many students. This is called a one-to-many relationship. Relationships help us connect tables and retrieve related data efficiently. Now, let's compare the logical view and the physical view of data. The logical view shows how users see and understand the data in tables. The physical view shows how the data is actually stored inside the computer. In simple terms, the logical view focuses on users, while the physical view focuses on storage. The logical view of data provides several advantages. It makes data easy to understand and organize. It improves data security and integrity, reduces data redundancy, and allows users to retrieve information quickly. Overall, it makes database management more efficient and user-friendly. Let's quickly summarize what we have learned. The logical view of data organizes information into tables, rows, and columns. It helps users understand data easily, without knowing how it is physically stored. It also improves data organization, security, and efficient data management. This makes the relational model simple, reliable, and widely used in modern database systems. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. To Last Bench Students, see you in the next video.